Okay, in case anyone was confused about my explanation of how I do this, this is a little bit better of an explanation. So what we've got is an intake valve, and it measures 1.950. So if you take 40 thou off of that, that equals 1.910. So I'll set my caliper at that 1.910. That tells me where the outside of my valve seat is going to be. So I just ground this seat to 45 degrees. What I do now is I take my Sharpie and I blacken this seat. So I make sure that I'm covering the whole 45-degree cut that I've already made, and then maybe a little bit more to either side so I can see it. Okay, so now that I've done that, I can take a 30-degree stone and just lightly do a cut and see where the outside of my seat is, and I'll use my vernier calipers to measure that, and I'll hit it gently, very quickly with that 30-degree until I arrive at the dimension I'm looking for, and I use my calipers to determine that. So I can't do that and run my phone at the same time, so this is kind of a mini update.